Preparing for a clean installation. First thing we need to do is to create a backup of your files. We have three options in backing up your files, and that's what I'm going to show you. The first method is backing up the entire device. Here's how to do it. First, search for Control Panel. Then, click the System and Security and select Save Backup Copies. Then, click the Turn On button and it will now start backing up your files. Second option we can do in backing up your files is by backing up to your OneDrive. First, you need to have OneDrive app in your PC. If you don't have, you can download it from Google. Here's the method how we do it. Go to your PC settings, click Update and Recovery, click File History. If you can find the OneDrive backup button, here's another method you can do. Right click the OneDrive logo icon in the lower corner of your PC. Then click Settings. Then click the Backup button. Then Manage Backup. Then you can select what file you want to back up and start backing it up. And here's the last option you can do in backing up your file. First, go to File Explorer. Then type %home path % in the address bar. After that, click the Select All button in the upper right corner, then copy to, choose location, and find your external drive. And then click it. After clicking it, you can now copy and wait for your backup to finish. The second thing we need to do is to download essential drivers. Go to Google and then search for your PC manufacturer. For example, mine is HP. Then identify your product and then put your serial number. Wait for the loading. Then scroll down and then you can see the all drivers button. Then click it and now you can see all the drivers, softwares you can download. 3rd thing we need to do is to check for Windows activation. Just go to PC settings, then click PC and devices, and then click the PC info. As you can see, my Windows is activated. If it's properly activated, Windows should automatically reactivate after installation. The 4th thing we need to do is to obtain Windows product key. If you are installing Windows 10 on a new device or attempting to update Windows 7 or Windows 8.1, you will need to buy a valid license from Microsoft Store, Amazon, or another retailer like Shopee, Lazada, or any shop you know. The 5th thing we need to do is to confirm Windows 10 requirements. Here are the Windows requirements we need to know. For the processor, 1 GHz or system on chip. For the memory, 1 gig for 32-bit or 2 gig for 64-bit. For the storage, 32 gig for 64-bit or 32-bit. For graphic card, DirectX 9 or later with WDDM 1.0 driver. For display resolutions, 800 by 600. And now, after confirming the Windows requirements, we are heading to changing the boot firmware. First we need to do is to go on your PC settings, here, then click recovery, and then restart your PC. Just wait for it. After restarting, click on troubleshoot, then advanced options, and then click the UEFI firmware settings, and then restart again. While inside the boot manager, you can now select the USB hard drive. After you select this, you can now save changes. Once you completed the step, the device should start from a USB flash drive to proceed with a clean installation.